What is going on, guys? It is your boy Chuck. This is the first commentary I've ever posted on this channel. So welcome to the channel. Welcome to the commentary. What we're going to talk about is one of the applications I was working on called Chatterly. Now, I don't know. Honestly, I could have been BSing. I think I've had a commentary before. And now that I think about it, I think this is definitely something that I have done before. But anyways, the reason why I want to make this video about Chatterly is because Chatterly has been going through a lot of construction lately, and it is on and off development. I'll be honest. There's some days where I just play video games, go to the gym, come back, relax, and that's pretty much my whole day. And then there's other days where I actually focus up and start working on Chatterly. But there are some cool things that I've added to Chatterly since the last video. So everything that you can do before, you can still do it. You can log in as a guest. Chad will join room 5, and you see I changed it so that, well, now you have a button or you have an icon that you can see, a green icon to sort of display whether or not you're online or not. I removed the welcomes, so it's just like Chad join chat, in Chad leaves chat. Like, it's just keeping it a lot more simple in that way. And so if I open up a different tab and I go to Heroku app and I try to join room 5, we'll actually see something really cool. So let's go to room 5, and it'll say, like, you know, so-and-so has joined the chat, and you can type and, send messages back and forth. It's pretty chill. And then if you leave, then you'll see it says chat has left. Now this updates, it's supposed to update automatically. I don't actually know what's going on because when I'm developing this application locally, it always works. When I develop the application, or not when I develop it, when I'm opening up the application on Heroku, it doesn't work. You have to actually click this to see that the user has left. And it's weird. It's a nuance. It is what it is. I already have an account, so I can actually log in with the account. And here I go. And so what I can do here is I can join room 5, and I can say what's up. Like, I have my own account now. I can say what's up. So hello, hi. The only thing is, as a registered user, when you leave, it doesn't actually show that you left. It doesn't say the user has left. It doesn't say that, and it actually will still show you online. And you can change your status to appear offline. And again, we would have to do this to actually see the change, but you can do that. And I like how it fades a little bit, like it sort of grays out, so you don't overload the server. But these are just things that you can do, and you can always go back into the room and be like, hey yo, and it works. The only thing is, if you're a guest, you don't have that privilege. And you can also see every room that you've joined, and this is the only thing that I need to like make look beautiful. It doesn't look all that great. I literally just edited this today. I literally just added like list items in a React list or whatever, and I literally just did that like 2 hours ago. But yeah, you can join rooms. You can join more rooms. It'll show you. I have the React scroll to bottom here, so it'll show you everything. As a guest, you don't have this privilege. So whose account is this? This is Chad, right? If I sign out with Chad, and it works, right? If I go back to the room, I'll see like, hey, Chad's gone, and it'll tell like, Chad left, bro. Chad's gone, and he's offline. The thing is, as a guest, you're no longer able to join the room again. In fact, your name is locked, and that's part of what it tells you as a warning. It's like, hey, bro, like, as a guest, you lose out on privileges. And so if I wanted to go back as Chad, it's not gonna let me. The username's already taken. And until this frees up in the database after 30 minutes, or I think it's 15 minutes now, I think I changed it. Until that frees up, you're not going to be able to sign back in. Even if you try to create an account named Chad, it's not going to let you. It's already taken, And so, let's see, Chad, username's taken by a guest. So it'll let you know, like, hey, bro, this is not going to work out for you. And if I wanted to enter this is real, like, authentication. I'm using bcrypt for this. I'm hashing with bcrypt. No. I'm hashing with bcrypt, and I'm using JSON web tokens in order to ensure that I'm able to make that request. So, for example, if I enter a wrong password, It'll tell me invalid username and password. That's using bcrypt. That's using a hash, a salt, whatever, and comparing that in the database. You know, that's not using JSON Web Tokens at all. When I sign in, I will get issued a JSON Web Token. Now, the JSON Web Token is what I'll be using to actually get room list. If the JSON Web Token is invalid, I won't be able to look at room list. It'll be like, hey, like, actually, I think it'll just boot me to the main menu. It'll be like, no, you're not authenticated, bro. Like this is not, we're not playing around here. The JSON Web Token lasts a couple days. I believe it's for 7 days. So after 7 days, you'll have to log in again. But other than that, like that's Chatterly. That's Chatterly in 2022. That's pretty much it. I can register another guy like guy, and I think it has to have 8 characters. Guy. That's literally the username and password is guy. And here I am. And haven't joined any rooms. I'm gonna join room 5 because everyone was in room 5. And you see Chuck's out of there. Chuck logged out. So Chuck's out of there. So we joined chat. And now 5 is on there. So, you know, it's a pretty simple application. I can actually load it up on multiple. So let me try and load it up on my phone. And see what happens here. Let's go to WeChatterly. .Heroku app. It's gonna look like shit on the phone though, not gonna lie to you. It's gonna look really bad. This is just a disclaimer. It's gonna look really bad. So let me join as a guest. Username is gonna be 50 Cent. I'm gonna join room 5. And this is just to do another test here. We're gonna test one more thing. So room 5, Chadwick, room 5. Let's see, 50 Cent has joined the chat. And then let's try and just join room 5. So a lot of people have joined the chat. Let me try typing in from my phone. Hello. We see hello there. What's going on, folks? Cool. And you know, that's pretty sick, pretty awesome. We can use our voice thing here. What is going on, guys? This is a voice memo from an iPhone using the WeChatterly application. It's probably not going to send all that well. It said WeChatterly application. And if I leave, it should tell everyone that I'm out of here. Yep, 50 Cent has left. So that's a basic rundown of the application. I was working on it on and off for like a couple months. This is as far as I've gotten. You guys saw whatever. The application is still technically under construction. I wouldn't say I'm done with it, but I'm very close. So that's another update. That's where we are, you know. Pretty cool stuff. Now I can put on my glasses. I felt handicapped without them, but I wanted you guys to be able to see my eyes. It's very important. Eye contact is very important.